So hello, my name is Dhruvam, and this is like my presentation for month 4 KLC, and my project is about like Apple. So this is like my sign-in page for Apple, where you like access like your account for your Apple account. So I'll just go and then just put my um, username in there and the email, and for like it has like necessary information that you need to put in there. So say if you don't add a character, it won't really accept the thing. Let me just go in there. So it won't really accept thing without the proper symbol for each thing. So when I go ahead and click the submit button, and then it takes me to this page where I have like Apple products and like different types of things that people might want. So say if I want to go to iPhone, I would go here and then it would take me somewhere here, right? So before we go ahead, I have say if I don't want this page, I can just go back and click on this page to return to the product page. And these are like my iPhones that I used from like, and that's pretty much. And these are like my iPhone things and like my iPhone details and like my pic image and my background and CSS for like each of the text colors or background. And this is like my table that I use. Say if you want like a iPhone 6 Pro or 6S Pro, or like different types that you might want. And then this is a cost and the quantity. I put max as 5 for each one of the products. And this is like my back button if you don't want this iPhone exactly. And if you do want the iPhone, you can just press pay and go ahead and buy it. Say if I want like iPhone 14 that just came out recently, my page about iPhones are right here, and my area representing of the picture of there. And say if I want iPhone Mini Plus, that will cost like 789 plus HST. So I'll just go ahead and press the pay button, and then I would use like Visa, PayPal, credit, or I'll say on credit, and I'll just go ahead and put like random numbers as my credit card number. Um, and I would just go pay. Say if you don't want that thing, you can easily go back right there. And if you want to pay, it'll just take you to a thank you page. So that's basically it. And I have like other very products like Apple Watches, each of them, and I have also added air tags, push anyone. I added more quantities for this one, and I also changed the amount each of them cost for each item and Mac, and that's pretty much it for my presentation.
Your atom.
Oh, and for my atom, this is like my main page for my like like products page, not products like the images and like where to go. Sorry, wrong, shit, wrong thing. Yeah, so this is like my like where I sign in and everything. And this is like my Apple products that I showed you earlier. I use like for this I use like action form to make sure when I click the submit button with all my necessary information in it, it takes me to this exact place. And I added a Harris as like links to go to each of these files that I access using like their full path, basically like their link path. And I added like my CSS here for everything. that's like my product page. And like for each of the things, I sort of made like the same type of process. I put my CSS, black background, like white color, and wrote the name of each of them using like H1, H2. And this is like my information about the thing that I'm trying to buy and some other necessary information. And like this is like the part where you show like what type of thing you actually want. So like just like Apple Series 6. Say if I want like one of these i6 Pro or 6, right? Those are three options you can buy. This is like my quantity and like cost and like submit value and pay that I put here. Pay and like for like all the things that you might want to select using I use like options for this. And this is like my text tab where you can like write your card number and like write like things that you might need. Like it's like a free box where you can write anything. And lastly, my thank you page after you press pay, and then it would take me here. So for this is like just the same process like for everything. And that's like the end of my presentation.
Well done, Dhruvam. That's a wonderful
I feel like
project.
I could explain it a bit more better.
Pardon?
I feel like I could like explain it a bit more better with my next presentation.
Yeah, you can try it in the next class, but you did very well, and you have put so much of hard work in there. I counted there are 27 pages that you had to create to present this project. Yeah.
And then each were like individual
Yes.
necessary things. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. But it's a wonderful job, and you explained it very nicely, very beautifully. So well done.